before it gets to his house.
Well, yeah, but still, we're gonna scare crap my little brother when he gets out the bus. See, that's the bus.
I know, but you can't do it.
And that's my grandpa.
You can't do it when the bus is still sitting there. The bus driver might.
The bus driver's retarded.
Huh?
So the bus driver's retarded. He can go eat an ass.
Frank?
Yeah, Frank. Frankers.
I thought you liked Frank.
No, Frank eats my butt.
He does.
Not really. Oh my God! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Come on, get closer. Get closer.
This ain't his stuff.
I know, but still, we're gonna pull in and be like, "Argh!"
Wait till he gets out.
I know. Get ready. It's about to happen. It's about to go down. In the running.
Yeah.
I know.
So do you. Fortunately, you've got Central.
Okay. All right.